Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet metallic silver, looks fantastic. You got that Dodge badging up front there with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our tires. They look great, lots of tread left on them as well. You got heated exterior mirrors right over here with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have that GT badging as well as the Dodge, Durango, and your backup camera. You can press this guy and it does open up for you automatically. You also have your parking sensors just down there. Looks great back here, lots of room. You do have some additional storage on the side there. You can lift this guy up and got some additional storage underneath there. As well, you can fold these seats forward like this. Then you do have even more room. You can do the same with the other side, or with the front, and then you have them all flat with tons of room. To flatten it, or to close it back up, you just press this button right here. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have a remote start there, and that one opens up the back. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on you, you just gotta put your hand there, it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Handle here, you got your seat memory here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here as well. The leather seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there. And then up here we do have the controls over the lights, so we have our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights here, and our in-cabin light control there. And then right up here we got the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and odometer, as well as you do have your fuel gauge and engine temperature. Then right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 18,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, you got your trip info, your stop start options. You also have your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer right there. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. You got your paddle shifters here and here. Then you do have your cruise control options and your horn in the center. Right over here we do have our touchscreen display. Looks very nice. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you do have your media tab right here if you have one hooked up through your USB aux cord or Bluetooth. Climate control is right over here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Your Uconnect apps right there. Your controls over your heated seats and steering wheel. Your phone. And then you do have your settings right there as well. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Right down here we do have our volume up and down with the power, mute, hazard light, screen off, and our browser. AC, circulation, temperature control, power off auto, front mirror defrost, and then you have your park sensors, stop start, eco mode, sport mode, and your traction control. And then down here we do have an aux cord and USB plug-in right there with our cup holders, gear shift, a little bit of storage, and then you do have your armrest doubles as a dual layer storage container. You also have a locking glove box right over here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you have your universal garage door opener, control over your sunroof and the lights there. And there's your sunroof looking awesome. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well. The leather seats are throughout the vehicle. Very comfortable. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. And then over here you do have USB plugins as well as heated seats. You can fold these seats forward right here. Then you have access to the back where there's 2 more seats, so 7 seats altogether. You do also have some cup holders back there. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Dodge Durango GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.